Our cities are surprisingly vulnerable to flooding. One national assessment recently showed that there are 500 pieces of critical infrastructure in our cities that are either partially or undefended against flooding.
Our system uses live rainfall forecast provided by the Met Office to predict flood risks in the city up to 48 hours in advance. This is done by flood modeling within dedicated high-performance computing servers. What depths are mapped to street level? This allows us to identify locations that are vulnerable to flooding and places that might not be accessible to emergency responders during flood events.